This is our next session of online classroom, and in this session we are talking about science. I can say we are talking about physics. But before starting our sessions, I want to ask you something. My question is clear. How you all can see me? You can say that we have the phone and we have the internet. Due to this we can see you. This is the not true. You are seeing me due to the light. But now the question is right. What is light? The answer of this question we get in this session. What is light? Light is a form of energy. I am repeating myself. Light is a form of energy that enables us to see things. I can also give you the definition of light in our offline classroom, and as I remember, I also talk about the ancient concept of light. In the ancient times, we are saying that what is light? They are saying that there is only a ray form. Now, before starting this, I have to share my personal experience with you. When I in the 10th class, our teacher tell me that light is in the form of ray. We all know that light is in the form of ray, and I am getting that okay, light is always in the form of ray. When my classes are changed and I come to 12, then say light is formed in the wave. I say what? I am studying that light is the form in a ray, and now you are saying the light is the form in a wave. And they say that yes, it is in both forms. I say okay, there are two forms of everything. I say that's okay. When I come in the college, there will be a new concept will be coming. They say that light is form of a particle. I say what is this? I am confused that what is light? Is light a ray? Is light a wave, or is light a particle? I don't know the whole concept. Due to this, I just starting the researching about the basic concept of light, and then I getting light is also in the form of ray, wave and particle according to the environment and condition required. Because as you all can say that the light that come on the earth is due to the sun. Can you see that the sun and the earth, the distance between sun and earth is small. In this distance, how will light will travel to earth? I think you all know the fact that the light is require only around 8 seconds to 9 seconds from sun to earth. This is a very good speed. How did light get that? The light gets that speed due to the wave nature. Because light has the nature of wave. I know you all know about the nature of wave. This is the form of wave. Now think about it. In which form I get more speed? In the constant one, or in this the waveform? Light is so smart, so it is taking the waveform in the when it's changing the medium, because if it's taking the ray, there will be a lot of time gap between to sun and earth. Due to this, light is taking the form of wave in the vacuum space, or in the space you can also say. But when light comes to earth, now what happens? The medium will be changed, and now light will get the form of ray. And I know you all see the torches, and when you are just on a torch, there are some particles which are moving in front of it. And I think you all have get a question in your mind that by how does the light is seen? Is we are seeing the particle due to the light, or we are seeing the light due to the particle? There is only one concept. In this concept, the light is showing the form of particles. I will talk about them, but first start with the definition. What is light? This is the simple definition of it. Light is a form of energy. What is? It is a form of energy. You are seeing that here it is in the form of ray, wave and particle. But what is this true form? Is the energy that allows us to see things. This is the simple concept. I know you are reading this definition in the class 3rd. Now we are moving further. Light starts from source, because when we are seeing any point, you know, in the our is come from optics. We are looking at object, and the arrow in front of it, the two rays. So where it will all from or the from the object that start from a source, and objects which are perceived by us. What does it mean? It means we are seeing light. There is a concept is electromagnetic spectrum. I also tell you about the story of spectrum. Spectrum is a the rays are in that the which have the wavelength of that area. We right. Of light. I always in the way that light form according to the requirement light will change. Why will? Because light is always never take the class. What has light object there are first light is face of any what will be observing the light the color of the body is changing and due to this these and the and now assume light is on any plane if it is the what the light on the surface same medium when we are using our we is called the reflection passing there is of bounce back reflection one and another one is in the reflection bounce back and but also as glass and strike it what will be happen and other part will be this is the we are or learn today the first thing we are learning that the things. Next, we are knowing dual nature, both and weight. What corresponds light it in the energy. Now, next concept, law of attraction. Here I write. This is not the law. This is the basic concept. This is the basic concept. What is the law? As I am already telling that when a plane surface will be an incident ray and reflected ray. And all the concepts we are talking them detail in our classroom. You all know about it. This is the just quick revision starting of our online classroom. Light incident on another medium. Then light repeated. Light incident on another medium. What does another medium mean? Another medium means as we are seeing this is air and this is solid. This medium is same. No, this is not same. This is a second medium. So what is happen here? When light strike it may be absorbed by it. If it is absorbed, then what we say black body. This is the first concept. Second scenario is what? Second scenario is simple. It will be reflect as if the board is reflecting the light. Second is reflection. And the third passes through our band. This is the reflection concept. As we all know that when we are taking a glass slab and we are using our torch or a laser light and point it on any point or surface of this glass slab, what will happen? Some part will be reflected and other part will be reflected. This is the third concept. I think you all get the point. What is the light and what are the nature of it? In the next session, we are talking about the laws of reflection, and we also know about the characteristics of light and so many more, because this is a very interesting chapter, because this is the part of optics. Thank you for all.